Hello everyone, this is a Xbox One X, came to the shop for no display. So let's plug it to the power and show you the problem. Connect to the HDMI power cord. Power it on, the white light is on and staying on. But there is no display in the TV. So it's stuck at the no signal. Already replaced the HDMI port. So that's the first thing you usually do to this console. Because it's a common problem, the HDMI goes bad in all console, start from PS5, Xboxes, and so on. And usually this Xbox One S, Xbox One X, when the hard drive goes bad, it will cause no display too. I think I did post a video or two about it. So let's replace the hard drive from another Xbox and we see if we can have just any display, just a logo, or usually is we're going to have an error to the TV. But that's good to know that there is a good display. So the console turns on with the hard drive from another console, but still no display. We connect the USB flash drive with the new firmware and still no display. So at the moment we know it's not the HDMI port problem, it's not the hard drive problem. As you see, the board, it looks so good. There is no liquid damage sign on it, no corrosion. There is no damage component or burn it. It looks good. That's the HDMI replace. You can see the solder. So next try could be one of the two chips. Could be the HDMI booster or the HDMI timing IC. And I checked the HDMI ports, the solder all looks good and solid. And let's check the capacitors around the HDMI timing IC. So some capacitors they test about in the diode mode about like 0.1, like a little bit low in the reading. There is no surge or no very low ohm. And checking the HDMI booster. This chip is given the 5-volt HDMI and is connect from that capacitor to the pin number 18, I think, next to the 19. So I want to see if there is a 5-volt coming to the HDMI from that HDMI booster. So put the Xbox together again and we turn it on and we test in that capacitor by the HDMI booster. Yeah, we have 5-volt over there. So the HDMI booster, it works. The next we have to try the HDMI timing IC. So that the IC we're gonna replace is a TDP158. So for some flux, and removing the IC. Yeah, if it doesn't work, it's mean that's all I can do. That's all I know about this console. I don't have any other way that I know how to fix no display, except HDMI port, hard drive, HDMI booster IC, and HDMI timing IC or HDMI controller. I just want to be sure that we have the same IC. We don't install some wrong IC. Yeah, look like the airflow is a little bit high. Lower it a little bit so the chip won't be moved. Yeah, we keep checking if the chip, like when everything melted, the pins around the chip plus the big pad under the chip, everything melted, the chip it will be moving free. So like that, I know the chip is all melted. And yeah, just put a little pressure and reflow it again, just to be sure it's soldered good. Yes, looks okay. All the pins around it just looks soldered. Let's put it together and test it. Yep. Still have the white light, and we wait for the screen. Look like the TV detecting something is 2K. So yeah, we have the display. It's fixed. It was the HDMI timing IC. So this all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.